Hey everyone, welcome to Simple Ample. I'm Praveen and I'm so glad you are here with me. I want to say a big thank you for joining me. On this channel, I'll be sharing some of the interesting videos on simple things that could make you happy about using web applications to mobile app usage tips, tricks, and more. You can expect some great inputs which you would surely find interesting. Your support means a lot to me, so if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Click on that bell icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'll be posting a new video every day, so stay tuned. I'm always here to listen to your thoughts and suggestions, so please leave a comment and let's connect. Without much waste of time, let's jump right into discover the hidden settings for your pro Gmail account. How to customize Gmail theme or background. You need to click on settings and find these options: reading pane, email threading. Let's go and find out which are the default applications along with Gmail. So that is like Google Chat and Google Meet. These are applications which come along with the Gmail, where you can chat, interact, or you can have a video conversation along with your contacts. Once you enable them and refresh Gmail, you will be able to see both chat as well as Google Meet tabs on your Gmail pane. After enabling chat and Google Meet settings, under quick settings, you can go to see all settings, and there is another tab called chat and meet. Click on chat and meet. You will be having some more options or provision where you can manage those settings. So if you click on manage chat settings, you will find couple of other options where you can customize them according to your requirement. So as you can see, do not disturb schedule is there. You can set up a timing for that, and you can block any particular user who would like to interact with you on chat. So these are the other options where you can expand your customization. And go to meet settings. Here you will have microphone or speaker settings where you can control them and where you can manage, and you can set accordingly. So after this save the changes. And next we'll find out the density of emails. How do we set up email density on Gmail pane or a screen? If you would like to have a minimized email density, or if you would like to have an more elaborated email density on the screen, so you can customize that. And next is theme. So there are a lot of options with respect to theme. If you click on view all, you will be able to find many options. Even you can set your personal photos as your Gmail background theme. Next is inbox type. So inbox type is one more option where you can prioritize your emails how you would like to read on a day-to-day basis. For example, important first, unread first, starred first. So these are like different options where you can set it up according to your requirement. Next is a reading pane. This is one more interesting option where you can find out and set it up, like if you would like to read your emails side by side. So let's find out how it is going to look like. So after enabling, you will be able to see a reading pane side by side. Once you click on any particular email, you will be able to read it next to it. Need not have to open it separately and read it. So it is visible just as soon as you click on that email, you could read that email. So this is more convenient way to set it up, and also you can resize a screen space. So similarly, there is another option where you could also read emails. Once you click on any particular email, you can read it just bottom of that particular email. Let's see. So that is called below inbox. Click on below inbox and then you will find a email. As soon as you click, it will open just below your Gmail inbox. These are really interesting options. Let's go back to next option, that is conversation view, which you have already enabled. Conversation view is mainly when you have any particular conversation happening with a given email ID or a topic. For example, if I am having any e-commerce related queries with respect to their support team, and if I am having interaction continuously, then all those conversations will show in exactly one particular email, like my replies and their replies to my email. So all that will be on your inbox. So this is very convenient way where you need not have to search for a particular reply or a particular mail from your end. So you can set it up your conversations and reload your Gmail. So your conversation will be enabled. Let's click on settings again. See all settings. Similarly, you have other setting options here. You can also change your themes once you click on see all settings. Here you have much provisions, like you can do many more things here. Apart from selecting a theme, you can also select images, your personal photos, and you can change the background screen by inserting your own text, or you can blur the background screen. So there are many options. If you have time, you can explore and learn more about it. Setting up language input tool. This will help you how to compose your email. We all know like how to write emails on English, but if you would like to write apart from English in any other language, there is a setting where you can add different languages to for your email composing. For instance, as you can see in input tools, if you enable, you will be able to find all global languages apart from national. You can also see languages across the world. So let's add couple of languages here. English, Hindi, or your any preferred language you can add here, and you can rearrange them according to your choice. Click OK once you rearrange them. Now let's go back to compose, email composing option. Click on compose. So here you can find how to write email in different languages. You can choose your preferred language. If you are from India, mostly you can write emails in Hindi. Also, if you are from any particular state, you can choose your language, mother tongue. For example, you have languages like Telugu, Tamil, Kannada. Like this, you can choose the language and send across to your contacts. This will make your communication more easy. And to change your languages, you go to input tool settings and change the language. This is another interesting settings of Gmail. Click on settings, see all settings. In general tab, you will be able to see an option called undo send, that is next below maximum page size. Here you can see send cancellation period, which is 5 seconds now. Let us set it to 10 seconds and save this. Go back to compose. Now let's write some test mail, and I'll show you what exactly this particular setting does. So input any particular contact, write some test email and click on send button. Now you can see undo button over there. This will be available for 10 seconds. After that it will disappear. That means you are able to edit that particular email within that specified time. When you open new Gmail account, by default your profile will be an alphabet as shown in this particular account. But to set your profile picture, you have to go to settings, click on see all settings. If you scroll a little bit down, you will find my picture. There you click on about me. It will take you to a new tab where this will show all about your name, profile picture, gender, birthday, everything. So here you have to click on my profile picture, and now as you can see, you can add profile picture. So there are a couple of certain default pictures are there which you can choose, or else you can go to Google Photos, upload from your computer or take a picture. Once you set your profile picture, let's say we'll set something in general now. So click on next. Then you can set visibility. For example, if you want to show it to everyone, or if you want to show only for your contacts, you can set as you wish. Save profile picture. Once it is saved, then what you need to do is you have to click on your browser tab. So after refreshing your browser tab, you will be able to find your profile picture as shown on the screen. So now we have set a profile picture that has been changed. This feature is called toggle confidential mode. So normally what we do is we'll send emails directly to the recipients after entering their particular email ID, but this one will help you keep your email safe and secure, where you can make these emails confidential to a particular recipient. For example, if you are sending any personal photos or any particular documents which is confidential, then you can set this particular setting that's called confidential mode. In this confidential mode, you can set expiration time. For example, it could be a day, it could be a week, or any particular day or time, and you can set it. And also you can create a passcode for it. For example, if you are sending to somebody, you can create a passcode and send it to them, and after entering that particular SMS passcode, they will be able to open this confidential mode email. So after setting that, save it, and you can send it to a particular recipient. Also, if you would like to edit this confidential mode, there itself you will find edit button. Click on edit button, and you can change the time or the way you would like to set this confidential mode. This is called blocking an email. Blocking an email could be a desperate mode. If you open any particular email which you are too annoyed, or if you are receiving this email despite unsubscribing, or if it is any particular newsletter which is annoying you too much, what you can do is you can block it. After clicking block this email, it will reach your spam folder, or else it will be marked as a spam by Gmail. Next time when it is received in your Gmail account or in your inbox, you will find it in your spam folder instead of finding it in your inbox, primary inbox. Also, if you would like to unblock it in future, there is a button called unblock sender. You can click on unblock sender, and then it will again come back to your primary inbox. Add-ons is a Gmail sidebar where you will have a default add-ons where they be like easy navigation for your Gmail interaction. As you can see, you will find calendar, Google Keep, or your tasks or contacts. All these add-ons are default in Gmail, or else you can enable them if they are not visible in the beginning. Also, what you can do is, apart from these default add-ons, you can add any specific add-ons if you require from the Gmail developers panel, where you call it Google Workspace Marketplace. You can add Zoom for Gmail for a video interaction. If you are having workspace interactions specifically related to Zoom. Also, if you are looking for additional space apart from Google Drive, you can add Dropbox, Slack for Gmail. These are like different professional and workplace related add-ons where you can add to your Gmail. So this will help you interact with your recipients or contacts easily. Apart from these add-ons, there are plenty of other options where you can see, explore them and choose them according to your requirement. So apart from that, also you can find add-ons under see all settings. There is a different tab where you can manage these add-ons. As you can see, installed add-ons will be visible over here. You can manage them in case if you would like to uninstall them. Right now I have not installed, since you will not be able to see any add-ons here. Many a time what we do is we create accounts on any third-party websites. For example, if I go to LinkedIn, or if I go to Facebook, or any social media accounts, or it could be any other accounts or any website. As soon as you create your personal account, you will have notifications from their third-party websites. They would land in your personal email inbox. So in such cases, instead of going back to those third-party accounts, where you can create filters of any particular set of emails, filter messages like these. Here you have different options where you can choose a specific setting. For example, skip the inbox, mark as read, star it, apply the label, forward it, or you can create a category for that, or you can even delete them if you are getting annoyed too much because of those emails. So these are different options where you can create filters of email. So same thing, what you can do is you can go to settings, see all settings, and after you create email filters, you will be able to see all those filter settings or emails, set of emails under filters and blocked address tab. Here you can again manage them, either you can edit them or delete them once for all. Email templates are interesting. I mostly use email templates when I have similar emails which I am sending it to my contacts. For example, if I have to send emails like welcome email or prospecting emails, what I do is I create templates for such emails and I keep them. Next time when I use different contacts, what I do is I'll just select the template and input that template to my email composition and then send it to those contacts. So let's find out how to create those templates. Here you can enter recipient name or email ID, put the subject, compose an email. Once you compose an email, click on the three dotted icon and then choose templates, create new template and enter a new template name. So after that you can save that particular template and you send this mail to any particular recipient. Once after you send it, next time when you compose a new email to different recipient with the same subject and same email context, you need not have to type it again. So the templates are like ready and you choose the template, enter email subject and email context will be input in your compose box. So this will help you and reduce your email composing time, and you can do it quickly. Email scheduling is another Gmail setting where you can compose your emails and you can schedule them for your future time. Instead of sending it right away, you can schedule them for your future dates. For example, if you would like to send this particular email as a birthday wish to someone, or if you would like to send this as a newsletter to someone on tomorrow's date, you can schedule them instead of sending them right away. So after you compose an email like this, what you do is click on arrow icon which is next to send button. There you will have another option called schedule send. Click on schedule send. Then you will be able to choose a particular time or a date where you can send this email to on that particular time. You will be able to find this scheduled email in another tab which is called schedule. Click on schedule and then you will find all your scheduled emails over that particular tab. Email labels are easy reference to your specific emails. For example, if you have any official emails on your inbox, you can label them for easy access to them. Click on that particular email and choose a new label. Create a label for it. For example, I am choosing Google Analytics as a new label for Google Analytics email. So that particular label will show under labels category, and also it will show an highlighted button over there on that email saying Google Analytics. If there is a Google Analytics email in the future, you will be able to see it very quickly if you create labels. Labels are like easy access on your Gmail inbox. You can create multiple labels based on your emails. Scroll down. So if you would like to have more space, click on that and you will land up on Google One, where you have different options where you can manage your storage. Either you can purchase or you can manage. Here you will be able to purchase more space as well, or else you can minimize your email storage space. For any Gmail account, Google initially provide 15 GB of space. Once after you are out of that 15 GB space, you will not be able to add more to it because you will have to purchase it. Instead of that, you can manage your inbox by freeing up some space with items which are in trash or which are in spam folder. All those are like not required, so what you can do is you can delete them and that will add up more space to your inbox. So this way you can manage your Gmail storage space every time you end up at maximum limit. So here you will have lot of unwanted files where you can remove them and you will get more space to it.